Can we get into My Eyes Only on Snapchat without password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can get into My Eyes Only on Snapchat without passcode. So this question has been around for a long period of time, and everyone think that you can reset your password and it will just be as it is before. So right here, if you try to type in your passcode, you will notice that it does not work, and there is an option on the bottom right corner. If you tap on it, you will see two options. One is to change your password, the other is to forget. So changing a password will not be that hard. You will already have the password. But if you tap on forgot password, what this will do is you will need to type in your Snapchat's password, and then you will type in your name, and then you'll get to reset your password. But the most important part is not mentioned here, which is if you forget your password and you plan to, so if you ever forget your password, it says right here that, so as you can see right here, in case you ever forget your password or just mess it up, it says right here under 5 is that acknowledge that if you ever forget your password, Snapchat won't be able to recover it or your private snaps, and continue. So what will happen is that your data inside everything will get deleted and you will not have anything. So if you ever reset your password, you will just lose everything that is inside My Eyes Only. So you cannot get into My Eyes Only without deleting everything. So yeah, if you do want to reset it, you can easily do that, but yeah, you will have to say farewell to every other data inside your Snapchat. And yeah, I hope this answers your question. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.